Hi, Ike.
You want some eggplant?
Eggplant is funny, Mom.
How about some
Is that funny? Wow.
You're so He's not swallowing anymore.
Alright, oh. You need to eat, Ike. Maybe we're having too much fun.
Too fun.
Wow. You don't say.
Moo. Looks kind of demonic. Oh. Okay. Ready? Take a bite.
Oh, now you're not eating. That's not eating.
All right. It's so weird.
Wow.
Okay, there's one more bite.
Come on, Ike, finish up.
Ike,
One more bite.
don't look at the cat. Honey. Is that a cat? Isaac.
Do it again, make him laugh.
Hey, I can't get him to look at me. Really big. Are you ready to be done?
Hey. Alright, Ike. Bye. Tark, come here. Tark, come here. Tarkin.
Sit. Bag.